Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ida, your best Chinese buddy here on YouTube. Today we are in Beijing. In this video, you're gonna find out the best city walk route to see the completely two different faces of Beijing, all the way from Beiluo Guxiang to Nanluo Guxiang to Shi Cha Hai and to Gulou. And there will be 3 videos of Beijing's guide, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any. Now, without further ado, let's go. The first destination is Beiluo Guxiang. Beiluo Guxiang is the only place where time slows down in Beijing. Beiluo Guxiang emerged as a quieter, artsy alternative with indie coffee shops, vintage boutiques, and galleries appealing to travelers seeking authentic Hutong vibes. So if you want to start a day with a quiet and relaxing vibe, this is definitely the perfect first stop. Everything on this street stays authentic, and this barber shop definitely takes you back to the 1980s. And here is a water machine on the street. I mean, it kind of feels like this street is mixed with the ancient China and the modern China. The machine looks very old and seems like nobody's using it. But we took a look around and we did find out that there are people checking out if the machine is working well every week. And we keep walking. By the way, thank you guys for supporting me. We've achieved 100 subscribers in merely 2 weeks. That is the best beginning of 2025. Then we ran into this vegetable shop. I bet 90% of you don't know what this is. Make a guess in the comment, I'll tell you if you get it right. Everybody says China lives in the future. Yes, indeed. We don't see convenience store like this anymore. It seems this is a self-portrait of the boss herself. And we keep walking. Wait a minute, ikemoji.
Chinese leek pie. We just got a leek pie and it costs us 50 cents. Have a try of these.
Did I just forget to feed my subscribers? Here, take a bite.
Wow, this is so juicy. It's very juicy on the inside and the leek flavor is so strong. I love it so much.
As we walk, we ran into our favorite restaurant, and it's getting late, so we decided to have lunch first.
We're now in a Bangladesh restaurant. I know that I am supposed to recommend you some local Chinese food. However, I have literally come to this place 4 times.
Everybody is from India or Bangladesh. This is the most authentic one I've ever tried.
The first dish we ordered is Hutongs kaobing. Can you hear the sound? It's so crunchy. You just have to add the masala with the pie. That's what I'm talking about, authentic. The second dish is called gali jiao. Literally translates into curry corner. So it's curry with beef and mint sauce. Not much left. Cheers. Now we have officially finished our lunch.
We're gonna go keep walking. We ran into this very beautiful cafe shop and we decided maybe we can go get a cup of coffee.
One thing that's so good about Beiluo Guxiang and so different from Nanluo Guxiang is whenever you feel tired, whenever you want to rest, there is always a cafe or a bookstore or anywhere that you can, just have a rest, enjoy some time with yourself or with your friends. 我们点了一杯柚子拿铁，点了一杯拿铁，一共是75元 which is around $10.
Spent around like 1 hour talking with each other and did some reading, and we are ready to move on to the next destination.
Do you see it's called 一定书屋? It's a bookstore, but on the gate itself, it does not sell books.
These door handles featuring the face of a lion or a mythical creature are a traditional Chinese design commonly used in ancient buildings. They symbolize protection and warding off evil, and the rings on the handles are used to knock the door. Basically, by then, we're at the bottom of Beiluo Guxiang. Beiluo Guxiang and Nanluo Guxiang are just a road away. It took us about 3 hours because we stopped by cafe store and restaurant to arrive at here. And from this second, we're gonna go across the road and start exploring Nanluo Guxiang. Nanluo Guxiang holds significant commercial value due to its unique blend of history, culture, and vibrant modern life. As a popular tourist destination, it attracts both international visitors and locals, creating a steady flow of foot traffic.
Once you enter Nanluo Guxiang, it's getting so crowded. The reason why it's that is the government spent much more money on developing Nanluo Guxiang instead of Beilou Guxiang. There are all the stores along the way.
The moment we cross the road, we see this tanggu shop. It's definitely the best winter snack. And next to the shop, the decorated wall with the Qing opera faces is the perfect selfie place. It's a local specialty, but I've never tried. Let me know if you did. This Zhajiang Mian restaurant is a 5-star recommendation, but I don't suggest you try it here because you need to queue up. It's a chain store, so try it somewhere else in the city. I don't know if you guys like fridge magnets, but I'm obsessed with them. There are quite a lot of shops that sell fridge magnets like this, all have very classic Chinese style, such as Fu, traditional style Chinese kite, Beijing with all the famous sightseeing spots. There are also places that sell Chinese china, designed 12 zodiac ornaments. I love this chicken. And even handwritten maps. So run into a shop and you can start shopping. Basically, we're not guiding you too much in Nanluo Guxiang because we think this is a place where you can explore all by yourself. You just run blindly into any shop that you're interested in and find out the fun accustomed by yourself. Look for this sign, look for Hutong. You see the orange spot? That's where we are.
Former residence of Wanrong is the last empress of Qing dynasty, I think. We turn left, we enter this Hutong, which is, this place is Hutong. This is called Huangbao, like in the ancient China, especially in Qing dynasty. We don't have cars, so basically this is something they use when they want to go somewhere. And nowadays it's just used for tourists, like they take you everywhere and see the sightseeing spots.
These are all signed as private houses.
But like the houses here are super expensive. It's over 100 million yuan. I don't know how much it is in dollars. I don't have that much of money. I think a lot of Chinese stars, like Jackie Chan, they have houses here. Do they? They do. Now we're on our way to Shi Cha Hai. Since Shi Cha Hai, Nanluo Guxiang, Beilou Guxiang, they are all just one street away. So basically this is the best route you can go for if you have 24 hours in Beijing. In this route you can see like all the classic Chinese style buildings as well as all the stores that you can buy, you can shop, and you can see all the local people, local Chinese people, like what they do in Shi Cha Hai Park.
We took a 10-minute walk from Hutong. The sun is going down and we're finally arriving at Shi Cha Hai Park.
Can you imagine we're having such a place in a city like this? Don't you feel? Beijing is such a fast-paced city, and you have a place like this in a downtown part. Don't you feel very relaxed? Like all your stress just go away. Don't you feel? The thing about nature is just so good. Qianhai, Hohai, which is front and bottom sea, front sea. Qianhai, which is front sea. There is a pathway around the lake. It took us around 30 minutes for us to like walk around the whole lake. As you're getting close to Hohai, it's getting so much more crowded.
Hohai is the extended part of Qianhai. It's famous for the bars and the nightlife. It's the best place if you want to come and enjoy some music and a relaxing vibe. If you don't like bars just like us, there's also a recommendation from us, which is Yandai Xie, and this is the route to go to our last destination, Gulou. It's really easy to find because this is the only place that's more crowded than Hohai. It takes you about 30 minutes to reach the bottom of Yandai Xie. This is where we were. And by the bottom of Yandai Xie, this is Gulou. The Beijing Gulou, located at the northern end of Central Axis, served as an imperial timekeeping hub from the Yuan to Qing dynasties, symbolizes 700 years of cultural heritage as a historic and architectural icon.
Now we have gone back from Gulo. I think this will be the end of this video. So if you have enjoyed watching this guide, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that big thumbs up. If you have any other places that you want to see, make sure to leave in the comments. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!